On the design step, you're going to design your rewards program widgets. So here you're going to have two steps. One is going to be the design of the widget that someone sees when they visit your website. Two will be the second widget, which is designed to show when someone refers someone to your store to make a purchase. So down here, there's a few options. You can point and edit anywhere on this section here, as well as here. So you can also add styling, text, whatever you want in there. You want to also use the domain here where you're going to host the reward program. And also this will be the domain that gets referred to people when they invite other customers to your store. You have colors which create gradient backgrounds, button colors, CTA text, and also for the CTA image, that's this one here, you can use GIFs which grab a little bit more attention. You can also use images with transparent backgrounds, which we encourage. They just look a little bit better when you have them overlaid on a website. A few little things down the bottom here is one, you can review the widget. So when you review the widget, it pops up like this and you can interact with it and see how it works. So you can see that if I'm just visiting my website, so imagine the website was in the background here and I wanted to purchase something because I want to get the $5 off, I would sign up with my email, sign up with my name, and then I would sign up into the program. Now, if you have the GDPR enabled, you have the tick boxes there, but if not, you can sign people straight in. People can also sign in on that same page. Under the bottom there was a sign in option. But once you're logged in, you can see this is the back end of the rewards program. You can see how many points you have, how many points you've redeemed, and you'll also get the coupon code sent to your email. If you have coupons already added to your coupon bank, they will show up under here. And then as you scroll down, you can see that once I'm in the rewards program, I can refer other people to the store and I'll get some extra points. I'll get points for making purchases and also completing bonus actions like engaging on social media, sharing content, uploading user-generated content, all that sort of stuff. Down the very bottom, you can see the rewards that I can unlock once I collect a certain amount of points. You can see 100 points equals 10% off. Once I have 100 points, I can redeem that. And you'll also be able to see the rewards that you've redeemed down here. You can navigate through this section pretty easily as well from the top bar. So getting back to the design step here, that's how you preview the widget. You can also edit the email that is sent out to people once they sign up to that program. So you can either click here and it's going to open a new tab, or you can edit it on the actual email step when we get to it. So hold off and we'll go through that in the email step. The second part that you're going to have to design is the widget that people see when their friend refers them to your website. So I highly encourage you to read the information on this page because it really helps you understand the rewards program and how it functions. But essentially, say I just signed up to that rewards program and my name's Jack and I referred Kevin. So I would send Kevin the URL to go and visit my site or the site that I'm visiting, and he would then go to that link and this would pop up as he visited that website. So it would say your friend has sent you $5, and then so Kevin could sign up and claim that $5, and he's going to have this post sign up as well. You can edit this post sign up text here and the coupon will be displayed here. Now all of your coupons are going to be in this coupon bank so that you can have unique coupons for each person who signs up. Same as the last page, you can go and edit the thank you email that you send that new referred customer once they sign up to get that coupon code. A few other little things you can do on this step is add in your default images such as brand logo, the logo that's going to be on the emails, the favicon up the top of your tab. And you can also design a landing page. So if you want to obviously also direct people directly to a page, you can then come in here and design the actual page that you want to send people to. And you can add in a little bit of extra information about the program, how it works. You can include the rewards down here. You can also change images, so change this background, logos, that sort of thing, sign up buttons. You can also decide to add or remove the rewards down here, or add or remove the social validation. So the fear of missing out, this FOMO feature up here. And you can also edit obviously general text and styling and that sort of thing on this page. But this is all click and edit. So you can write in anything you want. You can embed videos, GIFs, all that sort of stuff. You can use all of these styling features. And this is just another feature that allows you to get people to opt into your rewards program. So if you were to send an email, you could send them this URL page. So you can see the link is here. So if you wanted to send people directly to a page as opposed to your website with a widget, you can do that. But the widget and the landing page will work in conjunction. So you can use either, it doesn't matter. But yeah, the main things on this page is to, one, design a really nice looking widget. Make sure you have an opt-in bribe sort of here. So that's, obviously an upfront offer for signing up to the rewards program. And then make sure that the text in here is kind of tailored towards, one of their friends referring them a brand and giving them a discount. And don't forget to add your coupon codes and all of that sort of stuff into the bank so that you can keep a track of how many coupons are being used and making sure that they're only getting used once. So let us know if you've got any questions. You can hit up the customer support in their side section. You can join our Facebook group and also ask some questions in there. But let us know if you've got any questions or if you need any help.